Introduce highlight features or overview summary about Brightown solar lights, outdoor waterproof IP67. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: Super Bright Auto On/Off. Each Brightown solar spotlight's outdoor is built in 24 super bright LED beads, and it will come on automatically when it gets dark. Enough to add life to your gardens and light up your pathways nicely. Lasting lighting and 2 lighting mode. Our outdoor solar garden lights use high-power LEDs. We provide 3000K warm white and 6000K cool white in 2 colors and 3 brightness levels of 30%, 60%, and 100% for selection. Energy saving and 3 timing lighting mode. Brightown outdoor solar lights for yard have high efficiency solar energy conversion, no additional electricity bills, and the energy conversion rate is 30% faster than the old version. It has 3 timers, 4 hours, 6 hours, and 8 hours. After setting the timer, the spotlight will turn on automatically. When the time is over, the light will turn off. Durable and waterproof ideal spotlights. Brightown solar spotlight using high strength and durable ABS material. Coupled with its special IP67 waterproof and anti-fog design makes the outdoor lighting products have better lighting effects and service life. It is able to light up your garden, yard, pathway, and pool under all kinds of extremely awful weather. 2 mounting options and easy to install. Solar landscape lights can be easily inserted into the ground or mounted on the wall, whether it is a landscape, garden, driveway, walkway, patio, lawn, or fence, wood or any material wall. They can be installed and work perfectly. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.